Hello, second graders. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. Today it's English time. We are going to learn about Unit 4. The theme is about professions. Look at the pictures. The first one, doctor, doctor. Next, nurse, perawat. The next picture is teacher, guru. Vet, dokter hewan. Firefighter, pemadam kebakaran. Pilot, pilot. Dentist, dokter gigi. Police officer, polisi. Chef, koki. Mechanic, montir, scientist, ilmuwan. Singer, penyanyi. So, those are the examples of professions. What do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to be a singer? Or do you want to be a teacher? Or do you want to be a police officer? You can choose any profession that you like. Next, for the next slide, I want you to pay attention to the question and to the answer. What does she do? Apakah pekerjaannya? She is a doctor. Dia adalah seorang dokter. Now, pay attention, because the question is asking about a girl, so you will use she is for the answer. Jadi kalian perhatikan pertanyaannya ya. Pertanyaannya bertanya tentang seorang perempuan karena gambarnya ini adalah seorang perempuan. Jadi kalian menjawabnya harus menggunakan she is. She is a doctor. Next question. What does she do? She is a vet. Dia adalah seorang dokter hewan. Because the picture is a girl, that's why you will answer it using she is a vet. Karena gambar ini adalah seorang perempuan, jadi kalian menjawabnya juga harus menggunakan she is a vet. The next one, what do they do? Apakah pekerjaan mereka? They are firefighters. Mereka adalah pemadam kebakaran. Now look at the question. What do they do? It's different from the previous question. Oke, jadi pertanyaan ini berbeda dengan pertanyaan yang sebelumnya tadi. Why? Kenapa? Karena pertanyaan ini menanyakan tentang orang banyak. Look at the picture. Oke, ada 4 orang di sana. Jika ada orang banyak, berarti kita bertanyanya menggunakan what do they do. Lalu kalian menjawabnya dengan menggunakan they are bla bla bla. Mereka adalah bla bla bla. The last question, what do they do? They are singers. Mereka adalah penyanyi. So now, how is it everyone? Is it easy? I'm sure you already understand about it. So we already learned about professions and then how to answer someone's profession. Jadi kita sudah belajar tentang macam-macam profesi dan juga kita juga sudah belajar tentang bagaimana sih kita menjawab pertanyaan mengenai pekerjaan seseorang. Now it's assignment time. So I will give you the assignment about professions. What you have to do is you have to look at the picture, read the question, and you have to write down the answer using the complete sentence. Jadi nanti kalian harus melihat gambar, lalu membaca pertanyaannya, dan yang terakhir kalian harus menuliskan jawaban kalian di buku catatan bahasa Inggris. Ingat ya, kalian harus menulisnya menggunakan kalimat lengkap seperti contoh-contoh yang Miss Gustin berikan tadi. Oke? If you have any question, later on you can text me on my WhatsApp number. Don't forget to send your work in the private comment on your Google Classroom. Thank you for watching. Happy learning and bye!